A few days ago, while returning from our village, my big brother and I brought 2 pounds of homegrown chivda or beaten rice, the kind our mother used to cook with. He wanted to make poha but didn't know how. I had just a few hours before flying back to the USA and I couldn't make it for him. And that moment stayed with me. We talked about Ma, how she made poha taste like more than just food. It was comfort, care, and love on a plate. Today, I'm sharing her version, one that's not only tasty but also nutritious with added carrots, green beans, ginger, and nuts, because that's how she cooked, with thought and heart. In a heated wok, take a tablespoon of ghee, let it melt, add cumin, mustard, curry leaves, ginger, raisins, coconut, add chopped onions, stir it, add turmeric, chili, and salt according to your taste, chopped carrots, chopped beans, stir them thoroughly to mix all together. Cover the pan. After 5 minutes, test the veggies for doneness. If they are soft enough, you are good to go. A teaspoon of sugar, a teaspoon of garam masala, cup of soaked beaten rice, stir them properly. Mix everything homogeneously. Add the final tablespoon of ghee for extra flavor. A few crushes of black pepper, mix everything. This plate of poha carries more than just taste. It carries a story, a memory, and a mother's touch that time couldn't erase. If this recipe brings even a bit of warmth to your day, let it remind you to hold close the flavors that raised you, share them, cook them, pass them on. That's it. Until next time, stir with soul.